In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your hosting a Minecraft server in just about 5 minutes. This process is quite straightforward and perfect for those of you who are eager to get your Minecraft world up and running. So let's dive right in and get you connected. First, head over to Hostinger's website. If you're not familiar, Hostinger is a popular hosting platform that provides robust solutions for various website and server needs, including those for game servers like Minecraft. Once you are on the main Hostinger page, your first task is to log in. You'll typically find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Once logged in, navigate your way to the Hostinger Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find various products and services that Hostinger offers. It's an essential hub for acquiring tools and services to enhance your online presence, whether it's for websites or gaming. Look for the Marketplace tab, which will usually be prominently displayed after you've logged in. Next, click on All Products. This action will give you a broader view of all the offerings available in the Marketplace. Once you have all the options in front of you, search for Game Panel Hosting. This is the feature that will allow you to manage your Minecraft server from a centralized interface, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. With Game Panel Hosting selected, you will then proceed to click on Explore. This section will provide you with detailed insights into what the Game Panel has to offer, including server management features, performance statistics, and various customization options that will enhance your gaming experience. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the functionalities available at your disposal. Finally, you're ready to click on Add New Game Panel. By doing this, you initiate the process of setting up your Minecraft game panel. This step essentially sets the stage for you to configure your server to your liking, add mods, manage player settings, and monitor server performance. Once this is complete, you'll be good to go, and there you have it. You've successfully connected to your hosting a Minecraft server. Now you're ready to start building your worlds, playing with friends, and enjoying the boundless creativity that Minecraft offers. Remember, if you encounter any hiccups along the way, Hostinger's customer support is there to assist you with any technical difficulties. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.